Hello everyone! Welcome! This is our Nueva Vida 1 subdivision located at Purok 17, Barangay Mabuhay, Jensan. So this is our living area. Here is our dining. And there is our kitchen. So we have 3 bedrooms. So this is our first bedroom. We have our toilet and bath. The second bedroom, our kitchen, the third bedroom, and also we have our laundry area. So this house is a townhouse, single story, and we have our reservation fee with a total of 30,000. And upon turnover, this is our unit. This is fully finished. This one here is our car garage. And upon entering, we have here our living area, the dining, the kitchen there. And we have here our 3 bedrooms. The first bedroom, our toilet and bath, the kitchen, the second bedroom, and our third bedroom. And lastly, our laundry area. So guys, if you have more questions, you want to have more details from me, you can message me directly through my messenger. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like this video. Bye!